Hey everyone, I'm here to show you my progress on the digital design of my second Lego skyscraper. Custom design, custom build, just from my mind, from what I want to build, and this has been in the plan for a long time. I've always planned to have a number of skyscrapers in my custom Lego city in the downtown office space area. This is going to be another office building, and to give you some context for it, the existing one is here. So you can kind of see what this space represents, the main frontage road in the downtown area in the city. Got that crossroad that previously went across to the other tables, no longer does. The passenger train station is now over here. There's another building here, there's another building here. There will be more buildings in the future. There'll be another skyscraper there. There will be at least 2 more buildings off to the side. But again, it's all just part of my own personal plan. And with the skyscrapers in particular, these plans have existed for a very, very long time, for years now. So I'm just going to quickly show you this one. Nope, I meant to turn this off instead. Yep, this new one. Its concept is just to bring in, first of all, a bunch of primary color. Let's not argue about what makes a primary color. A bunch of simple, basic, traditional Lego colors with inspiration from Lego itself and Lego blocks. So it's kind of taking the concept of colorful building blocks and making a building from that. Not looking for any suggestions, as always on this channel. All this stuff this creative work has to come from me. It's my creative project, the entire city. But basically anything that you see that I'm not doing, I'm not doing. Anything that I am doing, and I'm doing it because I wanted to. And that's the end of the story. So I'm not doing studs, I'm not doing anything else. I'm doing it this way. I've been working on this for a while. All live streamed. The whole build from nothing has been live streamed, including opening studio for the very first time and using it for the very first time. Much of it has been on Patreon, and a bunch of it has also been public over on Twitch. So ground level lobby has a little security desk. Suggestions of elevators will not have real elevators in it because that would be a horrendous waste of space. Another thing that would be a horrendous waste would be filling this up with interior details. The number one question about this, am I going to put interior detail in it? Simple answer is no, at least not for a very extraordinarily long time. Because if I did fill it up, it would take months to design all of the little stuff. It would cost literally thousands of dollars, and it would be useless because nobody would see any of that stuff. I would know that it's there. Maybe an unveiling video could show that stuff, but it would be a terrible, horrific, just abysmal use of my time when there is so much of the city that yet needs to be built up. So this will be filled. There will be a fill in it so that you won't be able to see through the windows to the other side. Eventually I will do the same treatment to the green skyscraper as well. But this ended up taking on a bit of a Mondrian feel, which I think is a good thing. A lot of people have mentioned that. It was not my intent at all. Folks who watched the build of this, watched the design of it, saw exactly what happened. How it started off with a block, and then I added another block of another color, then another one. I changed those colors around a little bit, started moving things around, started playing with it. It's all organic design from scratch, and it's been documented, it's been watched, and it's been seen by many people. So what it looks like right now is not how it started. How it got there was completely organic. And I'm pretty happy with the balance. There are a few things that bug me about it a little bit, but all in all, after a significant amount of work, significant amount of pushing things forward and backward, up and down, tripping over stuff, trying different experiments, lots and lots of different things. This is where I've ended up, and it's getting close to done. I actually, like I said, started putting in some interior details. If I open this up over here, just for the lobby, only the lobby is going to have interior details in the foreseeable future. But if I get rid of this section just briefly, you can see a security, important for me, or a security desk, a little waiting space over there, and a couple of suggestions of elevators. Again, I will not be doing real elevators in this. I've already shown that I'm perfectly capable of doing a real elevator, but it takes a ridiculous amount of time, wastes a whole lot of space once again. And I'm just not about waste right now. I have a limited amount of time for everything. My schedule is extraordinarily impacted 24/7. I almost never take any kind of break whatsoever. I've literally taken 2 days off this year as of the time of the recording of this video. I do not take weekends. So that's 2 days in total. That's not 2 weekdays out of all the weekdays that we've had. That's 2 days in total. So 1 weekend worth of weekend is what I've had this year so far. So I'm putting my all into this hobby, into content creation, into doing everything that I can to the best of my ability as efficiently as possible. And just right now, most recently, as far as the custom stuff, the latest custom stuff, it's been, the effort has gone into this. And I will do more digital design in the future. The reason that I started doing this as digital design is because I'm always limited on parts. No matter what I try to build, I'm always limited on parts. And it's very frustrating to have tens of thousands of Lego pieces and to not be able to build one single thing physically that I set out to build. Having to always constantly compromise because I'm missing pieces that just don't have the stuff to build what I want in the colors that I want. So this process has allowed me to go through and iterate a lot, get to a point where I'm happy with it, where it matches my general vision. And then I've already done a bunch of optimization. I'll do a little bit more optimization to it. Again, not looking for any suggestions about that. I will handle that process to the best of my ability. Continue to learn. It's all a natural process, but I will be making some orders, some bricklaying, some pick a brick, whatever is most efficient based on what my research shows. Making some orders and starting to actually build this thing this year. Hopefully be able to get to a second one as well in, I don't know, 2 seasons or so, maybe later on in the year. Still have to work on the zoo, still have to work on all the things that I work on. Like I said, I stay very busy, not a lazy person, doing a bunch of stuff, but I've been enjoying this lately and wanted to just show you what I've been up to, since not everybody's able to watch the live stream content, and that's perfectly fine. But if you do want to see this stuff, you can follow me on Twitch, where I do most of my live builds of Lego sets and also Gundam plastic models. Also doing the digital design of this building right here. And I also do physical design work there when I do. Well, most of the physically designed things, including going all the way back to the police station, the building that's actually, the small building that's actually right over here in this spot next to the green skyscraper. That was done all live, again, between Patreon and Twitch. And yeah, you can follow me on Twitch for free if you want to, but if you don't want to, it's all good. Thank you for watching this though. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.